The next thing we're going to look at is the if statement. So I'm going to create another Python program called if demo. And the way the if statement works is like this. We say if, and then in here we have to put a condition. So let's say we had some string, and so we had text equals hello. And we can test with this Boolean expression. If text equals hello, then we'll print you said hello. And then we'll try that. It says you said hello. Of course, we told it to do that, so it makes sense that it would say it. But notice that with this if statement, there's this colon here, and we indented the print. So there's 4 spaces here. If I don't put that indentation, watch what happens. If I run this, in fact, it already tells us there's an error. It says indentation error, expected an indentation block. And that's because whenever you put a colon, it expects that there's 1 or more lines that will be indented in. And you can actually put multiple lines in here. Let's say we wanted to say it 3 times just for some goofy reason. These 3 lines that are indented in are called a block of code. That means that these 4 statements belong to this colon here. And what this statement essentially says is, if text equals hello, then do these 3 print statements. If it isn't hello, it's going to just say, thank you for using my program. And rather than doing something predictable like that, let's use an input. So if I say goodbye, it just says thank you for using my program. Because I didn't say hello, it skips this block of code and just goes on to the next statement, which is the sprint statement. If I run this again, and I put in hello, it does the block of code. So that's the basic structure of an if statement. The other way I could do this is I could say if it does not equal, so this is not equal hello, we can say this instead. And we'll make this be the statement that we'll say 3 times. And because it's got a single quote in there, I'm going to have to use double quotes at the end. And now the logic is going to be a little different, because if I say hello, it just says thank you for using my program. But if I run this and put in anything other than hello, it says you didn't say hello. So double equals is equivalent, not equal is hello. Is not equal is exclamation point equal. So that's how we use an if statement.